Good afternoon to one and all. This is Dr. K. Pushpa Rani, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, MLR Institute of Technology. The next topic in discrete mathematics is principles of inclusion and exclusion. In this video, we are going to discuss about principle of inclusion and exclusion. What is the statement for including the terms and for excluding the terms, and we'll discuss the principle of exclusion inclusion for two sets, and we can understanding those concepts with the help of examples. So what is another name for principle of inclusion exclusion? It is also called as sieve method. Another name for principle of inclusion exclusion is a sieve method. If the sets are not disjoint, that means A, B or the two sets, these two sets are not disjoint. That means they are not combined here. That is the disjoint. Then the statement of the sum rule is called as a principle of inclusion exclusion. Then that means we need to including these two terms if it is required. Otherwise, we have to exclude those sets from the given set. Then it is called as a inclusion and exclusion. So suppose if you consider the two sets, then the principle of inclusion exclusion states that mod A union B. A union B consisting of all the elements which are present in set A as well as set B. Then the formula is set of elements that are present in the set A plus, that means include, set of elements which are present in the set B, along with we have to take A intersection B. That means we need to remove the elements which are present in both sets. Then we are going to get the mod A union B. That is the principle of inclusion exclusion for the two sets. Consider the diagrammatic representation of inclusion exclusion. Mod A union B equal to mod A mod B minus mod A intersection B. This entire part is called as A. This entire part is called as B. This part is consisting of the elements which are present in set A as well as set B. That means there is a common elements. Common elements. A intersection B minus means elements which are present in set A but not in set B. A bar intersection B means the set of elements which are present in the set B, not in the set A. So those are the formulas we need to remember. And U is called as a universal set. It contains all the list of elements. It contains all the list of elements. For example, if you consider the set of natural numbers, that means all the natural numbers are coming under the universal set. Some elements we are going to consider, that is set A. Some elements are present in the set B, that is the set B. But only some elements, that is set A and set B, whereas universal set contains all the elements, all the natural numbers. Then what is the formula for mod A union B? Mod A plus mod B minus mod A intersection B. A minus B means A mod A minus A intersection B. That means from all the set of elements of A, we need to subtract the common elements, then we'll get A minus B. A minus B. That means the elements which are present in only set A but not in the set B. Next, B minus A. The set of elements which are present in the set B, those elements not present in the set B. There is no commonality between A and B. Those elements are subtracted. So we need to add as well as subtracting. That's why it is called as inclusion and exclusion. If it is required, we have to include. If it is not required, we have to exclude those elements from the given set. Consider the example. In a group of 42 scientists, everyone speaks English or French. English or French. For English, we need to consider one set. This is called as mod E. Then there are 35 English speakers. That means mod E means how many number of English speakers. That is 35. Next, 18 French speakers. That means mod F is equal to 18. Then how many members can speak both English and French? We don't know the value, this value we need to find out. That can speak both English and French. That means we need to find out mod F E intersection F. So for that we have to consider either any variable, but here consider as A. Then group how many total number of tourists, that is A union B is equal to 42. Substitute all those values in the formula of principle of inclusion exclusion for two set. Mod A union B equal to mod A plus mod B minus mod A intersection B. Your union B means total number of tourists, that is 42 is equal to mod A. Only the people who belongs to or who are speaking English only, that is 35. Then mod B means how many number of French speakers? 18. We don't know A intersection B. 42 is equal to 35 plus 15, that is 53. Minus A intersection B. Then 53 minus 42 will get 11. That means 11 speakers can speak both English and French. 11 members can speak French as well as English. Second example, suppose that 200 faculty members can speak French. Take the first set called French, mod F is equal to 200. Then, and 50 can speak Russian. Mod R is equal to 50. While only 20 can speak both, that means F this part. Mod F intersection R is 20. How many faculty members can speak either French or Russian? And means this part we need to find out R. F union R is equal to mod F plus anyone. Anyone means either French or Russian. Mod F plus mod R minus mod F intersection R. So we don't know this value, we need to find out. Mod F means the total number of people who speaks only French. Mod R means only Russian minus both, that is 20. 250 minus 20, that is equal to 230. Only 230 people can speak either French or it is a Russian. Only 230 people can speak either French or it is a Russian. Next, consider the next example. A certain computer center employs 100 computer programmers. Total how many number of employees? 100 employees, computer programmers. Out of 47 can program in Fortran, that is mod F is equal to 47. And 35 in Pascal, mod P is equal to 35. 23 can program in both languages. 23 can program in both languages. That is a French, that is a Fortran and Pascal is 23. How many program neither of these two languages? Neither of these two languages. So, neither of these two languages. How to find out neither of these two languages? First of all, we need to find out how many program either of these two languages. Then we have to subtract from the universal set. We'll get the how many programmers can do the program neither any of these two languages. Find out first F union P is equal to mod F plus mod P minus F intersection P. Mod F means how many people can do the program in Fortran, that is 47 plus 35 minus 23. 47 plus 35 is 82 minus 23. You have to subtract 82 minus 23, 9. 59. So this is the either of these two languages. But the question is neither of these two languages means we need to find out So F union P bar. F union P bar. How to find out? That means U is equal to F union P minus F union P bar. We need to subtract from the universal set. F union P bar is equal to U minus F union P. Universal set contains total number of computer programmers, that is 100 minus 51, that is 41. So 41 can do the program neither of these two languages, that may be either Fortran or it is a Pascal. Only for 24 people can do the program either any one of these two languages. Find the set of integers that from 1 through 1000 that are multiples of 3 or 5. Multiples of 3 or 5. That means total number of integers are 1000. We need to find out multiples of 3 or multiples of 5. Then multiples of both 3 and 5. Mod A is equal to multiples of 3. 1000 divided by 3. We'll get 333. Then mod B, multiples of 5. 1000 total number of integers which are divisible by 5. 1000 by 5, that is 200. Next, mod A intersection B, that means multiples of 3 and 5. 1000 divided by 15, that is 66. Now find out, so find the set of integers that from 1 that are multiples of 3 or 5. So 3 or 5 means mod A union B. That means 333 plus 200 minus 66. 333 is a number of integers which are divisible by 3. Next, 5 is the number of integers which are divisible by 5, that is 200. Next, A intersection B means number of integers which are divisible by both 3 and 5, that is 66. That means 533 minus 66. So 533 minus 66 will get 7, then after that 6, 467. 467 integers which are divisible by either 3 or 5. 467 integers which are divisible by, so that is 3 or it is a 5. So what is the, coming to the summary of this video, that is what is meant by principle of inclusion, exclusion, and what is the statement of principle of exclusion for two sets. And we'll discuss this topic by taking some examples. Thank you.